I used to write resumes the old-fashioned way, just like you. But guess what? Despite putting hours into it, my resume weren't getting selected. That was until I tried AI. Yes, you heard that right. I used an AI-powered tool for my resume and it helped me land my dream job. Now let's talk about how you are using the old methods and why that might be holding you back. If you continue using the same old traditional way of creating resumes, your chances of getting noticed might be much lower. But don't worry, I've got you covered. So in this video, I'm going to show you how AI tools can help you create and stand out your ATS-friendly resume. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step using tools that I personally used. And I'll explain you the importance of ATS, which is Applicant Tracking System, and why is it crucial for your resume to pass through it and get noticed by recruiters. Here's the agenda for today. We'll talk about why using AI for resume creation is a game changer. I'll share the tools I used and how they helped me build a resume that got noticed. We'll cover the step-by-step methods on how to create an AI-powered resume. And most importantly, we will run a check to make sure your resume is ATS-friendly. So let's dive right in. First, let's talk about ATS. Have you heard of it? ATS stands for Applicant Tracking System, and they are used by recruiters to filter out resumes before a human ever sees them. This means that if your resume isn't ATS, it's not getting looked at. Crazy, right? The old resume format might not be cutting it anymore. But with AI, you can make sure your resume passes through ATS without a hitch, increasing your chances of landing an interview. Now let me introduce you to the AI tools that help me get my resume noticed. So these are the tools I used, and I'll show you exactly how to use them for yourself. At first, I used GravityWrite and AI for generating content, Canva for professional design templates, Enhancv for creative and customizable resumes, Kickresume and ATS-friendly template and professional designs, and Naukri's resume score checker to test ATS compatibility. And at last, I used SkillSyncer, which matches resume to specific job description. So let's get started to the demo part. So first, let's start with creating the content for your resume. So this is where GravityWrite comes in. I use this tool to generate the content for my resume, and it's super easy. Just answer a few questions about your background and the AI will generate the perfect resume content tailored to your experience. Let me show you how you can do it. So first you need to just sign into this account. So after you have signed it, just simply search for your resume builder based on job description, okay, and just enter on this. And now you see, you just have to fill few details from here, and which is your name and your contact information, your educational qualifications, your work experience, and the list of projects and certifications which you had earlier. Now if you already have your previous resume, you can copy paste it from there, all these description, or else you can just simply fill this. So now that you can see, I've entered my name, contact information, your educational qualifications, and your work experience if you have any. And you can also list your projects and the certifications which you had. And now let's move on to the important part, which is the job description. So what you'll do is you just head over to LinkedIn, and let's suppose this is the job which I'm applying to, which is the digital content associate from Amazon. Okay, so you just copy paste the description from here, and then you can just paste it over here, the job description, and just click on create content. So you can see that your content is being generated for your resume over here. So now the next step is we will use Canva, and from there we can just select any template and we'll just modify your CV, or if you want to create your CV from scratch, you can also do that. Let me show you. So first just head over to Canva from here, and now you can just search for resume template, okay? And now you can select any template from here. So let's suppose I like the first one. Since we are applying for the ATS friendly resume, we'll try to make it very clear. Do not use much of pictures, logos. Just make it very simple and clear. So we'll be using the first template, and I liked this one. And you can just hit over to customize this template. And now we will edit this section. So just write whatever GravityWrite had generated for you before. Also, one more thing, you can also use ChatGPT to create your content. And from here, as you can see, I've edited my resume. Now what we'll do is we will check it through an AI tool. We will use the ATS checker, the resume score checker. So now I'll show you how you can check using the Naukri resume ATS score checker. So what you can do is you can just simply drag and drop your resume here. I'll show you how to do it. So first I'll be using my old resume, the traditional method one. And now it will just check our resume score. So you can see it's high, your resume quality is high, a few tweaks, you can take it to the next level. And 40% of the job seekers on Naukri have a stronger resume than yours. Now let's upload our current resume, which I created using the AI. And let's check the resume score from. Now you can see the difference that your resume quality is high and it's bit more than high. It's near to excellent. So here is the difference how, I leveraged using AI and then I enhanced the quality of my resume. Now let me show you a few more important AI tools from here. Now the first one we have on the list is Enhancv. Now this is also a great AI tool which will help you to create a resume. Just click on build your resume with AI from here. So you can see it's written, do you have an existing resume? You can using the starting point. So if you have an existing resume, you can just upload that. So let's suppose I have my previous resume. So I'll just upload the one. So now I've updated and uploaded my previous resume. From here, you can just select your template for your resume. This is the template and these. So I think I like this one more, the Ivy League one. We also have plenty of options from here. So as a fresher, I would say this would be a great template. Yeah, so now you can see it has created my resume from scratch again. And this is how my resume looks like now, and it's pretty good. Now again, you can just copy this and you can check it on the resume checker, the ATS code checker. Now the next AI tool I'll be showing you is the Kickresume, which is the best online resume and cover letter builder. So this also creates amazing resume from here. You can just simply head over to create my resume and you can just sign in using your LinkedIn account. So I'll be just clicking on create a new resume using AI. So from here you can just enter your, and it will take few time. And then you can just select a template from here. So I've selected my template. Yeah, and my resume is almost ready. You can see my photo is also there. And again, you can just edit your personal information, your work experience, and your skills. Now, this tool comes with a limited usage, of course. So for the skills and the strength hobbies section, you would need to upgrade your plan. But for the free version, this works pretty great. Now here is an amazing AI tool which is known as a SkillSyncer. What you can do is SkillSyncer will help job seekers improve their resume by identifying the missing skills and the keywords by comparing it with a job description. Or you can auto-optimize features seamlessly and add job-specific keywords to your experience, saving your time. So we'll just check this out. So from here, what you can do is you can just click on Create Scan and you just need to enter the company name. So let's suppose this was the job which I was applying for. So I'll just copy the description from here. And the job title was, just copy paste the job description from here as well as the job title, which is the yeah. And you can also upload your resume. So I've uploaded the resume which I created using AI, and I'll just check on scan and it will see that whether my resume fits well with the job opening or not. So now scan has been created. You can see that one scan is remaining which you need to upgrade it. But let's see. Don't be discouraged with the low score. So my score is pretty low and I would need to actually upgrade again my resume. So it will give you a list of all the corrections needed on your resume, and it's a great way on how you can actually update your resume based on the job. Also, just a quick information, guys, if you're interested in mastering the future of technology, then the professional certificate course in generative AI and machine learning is the perfect opportunity for you, which is offered in collaboration with the ENICE Academy IT Kanpur. This 11-month live and interactive program will provide you hands-on expertise in cutting-edge areas like generative AI, machine learning, and tools like ChatGPT, DALL-E 2, and even Hugging Face. You'll also gain practical experience through 15+ projects, integrated lab, delivered by esteemed IIT Kanpur faculty, alongside earning a prestigious certificate from IIT Kanpur. You'll also receive official Microsoft badges for Azure AI courses and a career support through Simplilearn's Job Assist program. So guys, guys, hurry up and enroll now. So I've showed you all the AI tools and how you can leverage your resume using AI. So now from here, we can just update your resume and you can just change your math score. And this is a great way to apply for job, and I've done in the similar way and it really helped me out. So you can also do that. So guys, that's a wrap on this video. If you have any doubts or questions, you can ask them in the comment section below. Our team of experts will reply you as soon as possible. Thank you and keep learning with Simplilearn.
Staying ahead in your career requires continuous learning and upskilling. Whether you're a student aiming to learn today's top skills or a working professional looking to advance your career, we've got you covered. Explore our impressive catalog of certification programs in cutting-edge domains, including data science, cloud computing, cybersecurity, AI, machine learning, or digital marketing. Designed in collaboration with leading universities and top corporations, and delivered by industry experts, choose any of our programs and set yourself on the path to career success. Click the link in the description to know more.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.